Alright guys, welcome to TuneMingo and I am Rahul Gupta, and in this video we are going to quickly see how you can use TuneMingo to literally generate millions of different combinations of music for free. Okay, so let's quickly log in inside the platform, and once you are logged in you will see this nice dashboard in front of you. So first of all, let's understand the structure of the application. So this is exactly the front end from dashboard to favorite tracks, and in order to generate a track we have provided you several different options like creating projects, which involves you to create up to 10 music tracks inside one particular project. Okay, so to quickly start, let's create a project, and in this project give yourself a name. Let's say I'm going to take it as project 55. After that you have three options to choose from. So one is manual duration, another one is the video and the audio. So if you have already your video or your audio, you can upload that, and we are going to recommend you the best combination of music from your input audio and video. But if you do not have one, just simply select the manual duration and give it a duration. Make sure that you cannot generate a music more than 5 minutes. So you have to generate this music up to 5 minutes. Okay, after that you are going to select the category. So I am going to select the category here as top and best, and in this category you have some input tracks from where you can listen to any of these input tracks and click on this compose button. So as soon as you hit on these compose buttons, these project tracks are going to get added here right inside. Okay, so once you click on that, you will see this nice interface where our artificial intelligence and machine learning trained models are going to recommend you some percussion keys, ambience and other tracks that can be added to your input song, and this will create your nice music track. Also, if you want to add some other music or anything else, just drag and drop your file here, and that will also be added to this particular rendered project of yours. So once you select all the combinations, if you do not like something, you can listen to any of it and just remove. So if, for example, if I do not like this one, I will just remove this one and I will click on render. Okay, so once our render button is clicked, it will be on our queue list, and you are going to receive a notification right here in the new section. Right, so once it's rendered successfully, you will receive a notification here. Similarly, you can track multiple renders at the same time. Okay, so just click on renders, and once all of these are finished, so you are going to get all these projects right inside your my projects tab. So you can go here inside my projects, and as you can see here in the project 55, I have 3 tracks which I have created, and in these 2 projects which I created earlier, so these 2 projects were of duration 2 minutes, and there are more than 5 tracks. So in one particular project you can create up to 10 different music tracks at the same time. Okay, so let's quickly go here and listen to the previously created tracks, and if you can see here there are these tracks, and if you see this download button, which means this project track is rendered. But if you see this option which is like not processed, so you can click on the render track from this page, and this track is going to be rendered into our queue. Okay, so for example, for now this is the rendered track, and if you listen here, then this is the music. Okay, I hope you can hear it. So this is the first part, and all your tracks which you will create will be sent into my tracks with all these things. Okay, so you can listen and collect all these different music tracks according to different projects that you have in mind, and you can filter all your music using the search tab which is provided here. So for example, if I want to search the project 1 tracks, I can simply search the project 1 tracks. Okay, and these are the different types of projects, and from here, if you like something, if you like our combination, you can simply mark it as favorite, and this favorite tab will always be here. So whatever you add here, you will add that into the favorites tab. So this is the first option where you will be creating the music tracks according to projects. Okay, then the second tab is ML tracks, which is our machine learning model, and this track has already created 80,000, so almost 80,000 music tracks for you. So guys, this is just awesome, because here you can create and utilize all these music tracks for free in any of your projects with so many different durations we have, and there are so many nice music. So if you like something, you can just play here, and if you like something, you can simply mark it as favorite, or you can even add that particular music track into your project so that you can create more variations of it, right? Then the third and the most simplest part is the music composer. So this is like a very nice option of fastly creating single tracks. So if you want to create a single track, let's say I want to call this track 1, and here I'm going to select the length of our music track. So short means 30 seconds, medium is 1 minute, long is 3 minutes, and custom duration you can put up to 5 minutes of music track. So for now I'm going to create medium sized range songs. So I will click on next, and in this tab I'm going to select what kind of mood I would like to generate. Okay, so if my mood is, let's say, inspirational, then I have all these categories, and from that I can select maybe electronic, and then I can select the tempo. So my tempo would be, let's say, fast, and I will just click on create track. So it will take like, let's say, 10 to 15 seconds in order to generate your single music track. And here you see that I think it has taken less than 5 seconds, and the music track is ready. So you can just listen to this music track, and this is going to be a nice one. So guys, since I am recording this video, I am not sure if you can hear this, but yes, this is working over here, and all the music tracks that you compose will be sent to my tracks, where you can again listen to all of your created and composed tracks, and if you like something, you can always mark them favorites, right? Also, there are actions for deleting the tracks in case you do not like any track, or you can always take your composed tracks into your project so that you can create more variations from that. Okay, now the third option is where you do not have to create or compose anything. We are providing you a huge database of 10,000 royalty free music tracks that you can use on social media for all your things, right? So you are going to share videos, you are going to share stories and moments and nice things on Instagram, YouTube, or anywhere, and you can use all these different music tracks which are sorted in different moods and genres, and select the tempos, right? Even you can select the duration. So if you want to select, like, let's say 30 seconds to 2 minutes videos, then you can filter all your music tracks according to these filters, right? So if I want to get the tracks from, let's say, suspense, I'm going to select the suspense, and then my short list will be here, right? So if I want to try something, then I can try anything, and it will be like that. Okay, so and the last but not least, in the front end of TuneMingo, the favorites project is very good, because it doesn't matter if you like some music from your projects tab, or from your music machine learning tab, or from your composed tracks, or from our royalty free tracks. So you can add all of that to this same place so that you can download them and come back later at this point and use those favorite tracks in any of your projects. So guys, in the next video I'm going to explain you little more about the rest of the tools. For now, I'm signing off. Thank you. I hope you like this video.